A few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey y'all, it's your uniform bestie here, and if you found me from Instagram, I know exactly why you're here, so let's get into it. Today we'll be talking about the Libby app, and I'll be walking you through step by step on how to download this app to your phone or iPad and how to access the MWR DoD library so that you can start reading your audiobooks, your ebooks, or your magazines. So without further ado, let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your app store and search for Libby by Overdrive. Once you find the app, you're going to click download. Once the app is downloaded and you open it, it's going to ask you if you have a library card. Here is where you can choose yes or no, and then you will start looking for your local library. But for me and for this tutorial, we're going to use the Department of Defense because this is for service members. At this point is where you will log in with your library card. If that's a local library card, you'll log in with that library card number. But for this tutorial specifically, we're going to use our DoD number on the back of our CAT card. So it is going to open a new window for you to verify your identity, which is where you're going to put in your DoD ID number and also your date of birth. Once you input that information, you're going to click submit and it's going to verify your identity. Once that is done, it is going to take you back to the Libby app so that way you can get started with reading. And here you see we now have a library card. So at this point, you can now start searching for books and magazines, ebooks, digital books, whatever it is that you're looking for, and start reading. So here I'm just showing you, I'm looking for a book called The 12-Week Year. It's going to show you whether or not that book is available and the approximate time that you'll have to wait before it becomes available. Here I am just searching for another book called The 5 People You Meet in Heaven, which was my January book club book. As you can see, it is an approximate 4-week wait time, so you can put that on hold, and what it will do is let you know when that book becomes available. So this is just a look at my bookshelf, which is all the books that I have on hold that I can start reading now. So I'm going to open up one of the ebooks just so you can see what it looks like, which is the 4-Hour Work Week. And this is basically what the inside of the book looks. So this is the cover. You can swipe through the pages, you can use bookmarks, you can highlight, and everything. So this is just a snippet of what the inside of the book looks like. And last but not least, I'm going to show you an audiobook where you can actually have someone read to you. This is The Fearless Woman's Guide to Starting a Business, and basically this is what it looks like and this is what it sounds like. Happy reading.
Gildan Media, a division of Recorded Books, presents The Fearless Woman's Guide to Starting a Business